Right then, up for the next build. Creative Play Droid Builder set 75392. Look at that, loving it. With, of course, exclusive minifigure, which is cool. We've got 1,186 pieces, which is quite a lot, and obviously it's new set, age 9+. Build your own R2D2 chopper C110P QT Katie, so Katie. There is a backstory for that, and R5J2 with this creative play droid builder set. Dress the droids as they've never been seen before, with a cowboy hat, mustache, bow tie, jet boosters and more. You can even swap the legs and heads to create your own unique droids. The set also includes a Lego Star Wars 25th anniversary minifigure of young Princess Leia with her droid L0LA59. Awesome, and that's why I bought the set, plus the fact I love the droids. So on the front you've got like most of the basic, this is how they look, standard droid pictures, and then you customize it, and on the back it shows you all the different stuff that you can do, which is kind of cool. I like them. They're different. I will probably build them and display them standard, or maybe not, I don't know yet. We'll see how I feel when I finish. But this is quite a heavy set, so more pieces than I thought it was going to be, that's for sure. Let's have a look and see what we got inside. Oops, ripped bag, whatever. And oh my god, sheesh caramba. That's a lot. Let's have a look, see what we've got. 4, 5. That's 6. That's 3. 2. 9. 1. Okay. So we've got 1 to one side. 1 to one side. And we've got 10 and 11. How many bags? Oh my god. 8, 9. 11, 12, wowzers, 7, okay, so we've got 12 bags, that's a lot of bags, for some droids. I wonder how big they are. I'm looking forward to seeing how big they end up. And then we've got this manual, which is, again, quite heavy, quite big, so let's have a look and see what's inside. I don't know if there's stickers or not. I've not seen any reviews of this. I've gone out of my way to not see any reviews, just haven't seen any. As you know, I always like to build them. So, okay, so you've got a manual per droid, which is cool. 4 droids. Is there any stickers? Doesn't look like it. Nah. Well, that's good news. No stickers on the last one and no stickers on this one. Right, okay. So we've got R2D2 with a duck and some headphones. Kind of cool. Can't deny that. I don't know which one this is. I don't know much about the others. He's got a top hat and bow tie on. And then number 3 is Katie. That's her, and then number 4 is the cowboy version of whatever. So I'm going to be building them one by one. Put these away. Got the stuff ready to go. And bag 1, let's open it up and see what we got. I do like these bags. They are awesome. Good for the environment, and it's easy to open. So let's have a look and see what we've got in here. Wow, okay. Hopefully I'll be able to do these like this, which would be nice. Got some printed pieces here, so that's cool. Always nice to see. Right, so let's put those away in the box. Whoever buys any of my sets will get everything, even if they don't want it. They'll get the bags, the plastic bags, the paper bags, whatever. I save it all. So, alright, so I'm going to do this build. I might not do it all in one day, but I might do 2 today and then 2 maybe tomorrow. Today is Sunday and I've been to the Lego land. I've done a video on my Lego haul from the Lego land and a tour of the Lego land. I've done a video of the Sarlacc pit set, and now I'm going to do this. So I need a break. I've been up since, I don't know, whatever. I got to the Lego store at 10 o'clock. Lego land at 10 o'clock. And it's now 3:45 in the afternoon. So I think I need to chill out a little bit after doing a couple of these. And then maybe we finish them off tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Okay, like the video if you could. I'm going to do the speed build now. And I'll see you when that's finished. Thanks for watching. Bye. getting late. Finished. I just had my food as a little break. This set is, I don't know if you watched, but I did the Gru figures and the display, and I love that set. This is on par with that for me personally. I think it's awesome. It's just different. It's different. It's not for hardcore people and Star Wars. It's a bit of fun. These are the standard configuration of the droids. This one's got a wheel on it on the front, which is kind of cool, and it does actually touch the ground, so it's really different. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go through them one by one. You can swap all the accessories around on these, but I'm just going to show you the ones that were in the manual, otherwise I could be here for ages doing this review. So let's start off with this. So this is young Leia, which is really, really cool with her little droid. So I kind of like this. So it's the next one in the set. I think I've got now 5, or I'm not sure. I need to check, but she's got print on the back and print on the torso on the front. Got a happy little face, bit bland colours, but whatever, it's okay. She can hold the droid as well. You can take it off this stand and just put it in her hand like so. So there she is, she's holding it. But I thought it was quite a nice idea, just having that clear tube and having it on the tube, which is a nice thought, a nice little extra that they did. This is printed on the top, of course, as well, and you got the 25th anniversary plaque printed, which is in all of them this year. So that's that. That, okay, is the reason why I bought this set. But now it's kind of like second, in my opinion, of importance. Right, so we got R2-D2. I'm going to have to grab the box because I don't know the names of all the others, not being a complete nerd on this. Not nerd, not in a bad way, but I don't know all the names, and it doesn't even say it on the box, so that's awesome. Thanks for that. Whatever. Okay, R2-D2. We've had R2-D2 in various sizes. This is perfect size. He's got his little rocket power here, so he can blast off. The leg is kind of posable in the middle there. You can tuck it away, I think. The head turns, so that's about all there is really, playability and that sort of thing. But it's a nice size, nice angle, and I think it looks really cool. Really, really good in its standard form. Then, I mean, the details on it are really good. Sorry, I shouldn't skip stuff. Details here, you got the little printed bit on the front here. You got the red light at the back, you got the blue light at the front. Like I say, you got the little rocket motors on the side. The legs can kind of pose, but there's not much really you could do with it, to be honest. But yeah, it's nice, it's sturdy. Kids could be okay with this, I think. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you. Okay, need to take that off. That's the only thing is, where's my tool? Here we go. The only thing is, it's a little bit hard because sometimes this gets stuck. Now I can't get it off. Awesome. Yeah, get off. There we go. Cool. All right. It's fairly simple design. This plate on the bottom. But what you do, okay, is you take this part off. you put this part on, which is my favourite out of all of these, like that, and then you put the foot back on again on the bottom of this, which is really cool. Look at that. I mean, how can you not say that is cool? It's got a little rubber ducky ring for when he goes in the water. That's just awesome. I love that. Whoever thought up of that was crazy like me, I think. But yeah, that's cool. And then you've got his headphones with the clip on the top. And there you go. He's boogieing. So he's got his headphones on. He's got his rubber ducky. So he could be in the pool listening to music. I think he might get electrocuted, but so that's how easy it is to change them over. It is quite simple. So I can take that off as a whole thing and then put that. And you can swap bits around like hats and stuff like that. So I'm going to leave him with the duck on because I think it's my favourite. When I saw this originally, I thought, yeah, it won't look good. But the size of this is awesome. It's a really good size. I like it. So there you go. There he is in all his glory. Okay, so we'll leave him there. That there. And that's his body bit. So if you want to swap it back, you can. Nice and simple. Alright, so next up we have this one, which is black. He's got the shooters. I don't know if I can show you the shooters without destroying. There we go. So it shoots normal, like all of them do. That's on the floor now. I'm never going to get that back. Not tonight, anyway. So you can load. You get 8, so you can load them up. It's not a problem. So it's just the normal shooters that we have with most of the Star Wars figures. Just press this on both sides. His head again turnable. Rotate that, and the legs, of course, same sort of pose. A little bit of details on the front. You got printed part as well, same as we have on the other one. But then the fun comes when you put his hat on. There, you put his glasses on, and then you put his bow tie on, which is really, really cool. Is it that one or that one? I think it's that one. Yeah, there we go. So there's his bow tie, his glasses, and his hat, which is really awesome. I love it. Very, very cool. It's really good fun. I like the fun aspect of this. It's really good. So you tuck his foot a little bit so you can see him properly. But yeah. So he's got his square glasses, his hat, and his bow tie. Very, very dapper. So that's that one. He's cool. And then Katie. She's really nice, and there's a backstory about this. It's I haven't got the whole story in my head. I did read about it, but it's the designer of the droids. I think in Star Wars films, his daughter had a really bad illness, and everybody called this droid that was in the movies just I think once, maybe twice, not a big part, and they called it Katie, which was her name. So this is KT. But Katie is the reference, his daughter. So yeah, that was quite cool to see that. And then she's got a little printed bit on the front, here on the chest plate. Normal thing, the head rotates, and then we can start dressing her up, which is, I think, pretty colourful and awesome. Let's put that there. That one goes on there, I think. I need to get this right. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, that needs to go. It's quite hard to get this bit on. Why is it being such pain right now? I don't know. There we go. So that's that. So she's got a hat, and she's got this kind of tie thing. I don't really like it up there, but I suppose that's where it goes. Sorry about this. Yeah, it looks that way. It's a bit high, but whatever. So it's kind of like another bow tie kind of thing. I think she looks awesome with the hat and stuff on. So that's that one. Then we got the little guy. He's a miniature of the lot. Nice colour scheme, some green and brown, grey. Got two little arms here that he can use. Again, you've got a rubber tyre on the bottom here, which is different to the others, which is quite cool. I quite like that idea. And the head rotates and the legs, but he's much shorter than the others. And then we can turn him into two different characters right now. Again, like I said, you can swap these around, all these pieces, and it shows you in the manual all the different things. But this is like the cowboy. Let's get this right. Go there. Oh, that was hers actually, I think. Was it yours? I can't remember now. Maybe it wasn't. Maybe it was his. Oh, it's his when he's doing something else, I think. Okay, sorry. Right, so there he is in his cowboy outfit. He's got his tash and he's got his hat, which is really cool. So that's kind of like the cowboy look. Yeah, I thought that was quite cool. I'm trying to think which. I'll have to have a look because I can't remember now. I thought it may have been her. I'm messing about now. I'm sorry about this, but I want to get it right. You can put them on. So yeah, there we go. So she has her sunglasses on. Those sunglasses will fit on these, all of them. So here is the cowboy outfit, and then we can take that one off, take his tash off, put his hat on, and then give him a balloon and an ice cream. Not that he'll ever be able to eat it, but because he can't reach it. He can't reach his mouth with this, but it looks cool. There you go. He's got his baseball cap on, which you can flip, put out wherever you like, the cap. So yeah, that's him. So all in all, I think this is just an awesome set. Great fun. Let's see if this does actually fit on. Yeah, see, you can put his hat on there. You can put the glasses on. You can just swap them all around. I mean, this is how it shows you they should be in the manual, and then it's got pages of stuff saying, oh, you can do this, 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 and this. So it's quite cool. I don't know which one I prefer the most. I think R2-D2 is my favourite. The minifig, yeah, great, which is what I wanted it for in the first place. But with all the little bits and bobs you can do with this, I think it's really cool. Such a good idea for them to come up with. Really awesome. I think kids will enjoy it as well as big kids like me. These will definitely go on display. This is not a set I'm going to be selling. I have got another complete set coming, but that will just be kept for future, maybe, I don't know. But what do you think? Colourful, fun. I think it's such a good, like I said, such a good idea. How they came up with this, I really don't know, but I kind of like his cowboy outfit the best, I think, out of the two. There we go. Yeah. Alright, so again, like I say, you can swap these around. You can put them on. I think you can even take this off and put this on R2-D2. Maybe you can't. Oh, you can. Yeah, there you go. So you can have a hat on as well. Whatever you want. But I kind of like the setups that they've got going with it. It's pretty awesome. Anyway, I'm rambling now, but I really like this set. This is well worth the money. Don't care about the money. Not because I'm rich or anything stupid, but because I got a lot of enjoyment out of building these. and I know I'm going to get a lot of enjoyment out of actually displaying them as well, and telling people about them and showing them all the things that you can do with them. So something unique, and I do like unique. So smash the like button, subscribe, comment. What do you think? Are you going to buy it? Let me know. If not, why not? Is it because of the money, or is it just not your kind of thing? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.